Some of these things actually are readily predictable. If you look backwards, you can see some of these patterns, but recognize that as we move forward, we build on everything we've done before. So the extent to which what you see today you think is just a little more clever than things you saw previously, all of that clever innovation, not just the invention, but the way in which things are combined and recombined to create innovative products, that's only going to continue to expand. So clearly in the world of electronics, microelectronics, the ability to put more intelligence into something. The cost comes down. I'm able to pack more circuits, if you will, more transistors, more density. The ability to put more memory. All of these devices we carry, handheld devices, use flash memory. Use a solid state mechanism, not a mechanical magnetic rotating disk. The cost of that is coming down. So what's happening is that you're storing not just music but photos on your smartphone. Your phone has become a camera. Your phone has become a video camera. I mean, you look at some of these things that we're now taking for granted. They're all facilitated by this shrinking of the silicon footprint. Clearly, improvements in battery powers. We're all frustrated with batteries, but there are new technologies coming to enhance battery power, battery life. That will make these devices more useful, more things that you can do with them. And so the proliferation of devices is going to continue, and more everyday things will have intelligence in them. People are familiar with what Google's been doing around the glasses. That might not be everybody's cup of tea, but it does reflect what's possible. The miniaturization allows you to put intelligence in lots of things, and we become used to it. It just becomes part of our everyday life. It's ubiquitous. Mobility, unbelievable things happening there. As we carry smartphones around, we're checking traffic and weather. We're finding the best way to go somewhere. We're interested in entertainment. We find the things we're looking for. People can find us. Increasingly, retailers are going to know, not just know who you are, but where you are. And you're in the mall, you're walking past their store, you've bought there before, they have your record, and they make an offer to you right then and there. So you're going to find that you're going to get more opportunities to buy things at discount, because that time value of you being present near a retailer store is valuable to them and could be valuable to you. And so we're going to see improvements around those things. Obviously, analytics everywhere, which in the broad sense I think is enormously valuable. As always, there'll be some challenges around privacy and security. I think people will tend to prefer programs where they opt in. But there are many people that want to opt in. They have their hobbies, their interests, their things. They want to be a participant. They want to socialize and interact. I do think that we're going to see a lot of interesting things emerge around these big data solutions. Finally, and not to be overlooked, is that we're getting better and better at getting our devices to learn things. And it has to do with electronic circuit density and storage, but also using some fairly creative techniques where your device begins to understand what you like and what your preferences are, and becomes customized and stylized to your needs and requirements the way you want to conduct your day. And we'll see those things here just in the next few years.